We insert the needle and make sure that the needle reaches the top. In this video we are going to see what it is like to place the needle in the industrial overlock and what its posture is. Remember that the needle on one side, has a long groove, and the other part has a shorter groove and needle notch, which is where the anchors pass and take the thread of the needle. Well, here we have the needle. We see the notch of the needle through which the anchor or the looper passes, and we grab the thread. This is the correct position on the needle. In the industrial or home overlock, it's this way. The long groove goes towards the front of the operator, i.e. towards the operator. The short groove that we see there goes backwards. It would go like this. We'll see how we put it in the machine. This is the machine we're going to look at on the needle bar. We see the little screw which we must loosen. Since some keys are hexagons, the others are shovel keys. Loosen the screw and insert the needle. As I told them. Short slot backwards. We insert the needle and make sure that the needle reaches the top. That is, to the top, and again we tighten the screw that holds the needle in place. And the machine is ready to thread and start sewing.